So it was day 3 of our journey, and we have booked darshan tickets already online. We can book through the official Vishwanath temple site, and we started at our room around 3 a.m. We reached the temple by 3:15. We had already, booked the tickets, so we thought we don't need to stand in the line and all. But to our surprise, there are too many people already in the queue, even around 3:30. What we didn't know was there is something called Spashadarshan every day 4 a.m. to 5 a.m. and this happens only once in a day, that too with Sugam Darshan tickets only. Our slot was 4 a.m. to 6 a.m., but we only found out about the Sparsh Darshan after we reached the temple. By the time we went there, there are too many people already, so we could not get the Sparsh Darshan. But we got close look of the deity. If you're planning your visit and wish to experience the Sparsh Darshan thing, make sure you're at gate 4 by 2:30 a.m. Outside the temple, there are people offering locker services to keep your handbags and phones, everything. But here is something that you should know, this is important. They'll often say they need to buy the basket of flowers and prasad in order to use the locker. And these will cost around 300 or something. It will start from 150 to 300. But don't worry, you don't have to buy there for the locker, because there are lockers available inside the temple also, which is free of cost. If you're going from gate 1 or gate 4, you can find the lockers. You can ask the police, whoever is there in the duty, they will guide you towards the lockers. These lockers are only to keep your handbags and for small things, but if it is a bigger bag, they won't take it. And also, these people, whoever is selling the flowers and prasad, they'll say you need to give the offerings to god, to the deity. But what I believe is the best thing to offer Shivji is Ganga Jal. That is more than enough. When you go for Ganga, when you go to take the dip in Ganga, just get some Ganga water and offer it to Shivji. It is the best thing that you can offer him. And there is also one more thing. If you're buying this basket from outside the temple, we don't know when the prasad is manufactured. There is no manufacture date. There is no expire date. Because I found some mold in the prasad that I got. I did not know the first day. Then later, I got prasad from inside the temple. You have Amul parlors inside the temple premises, and also there is a trust. There is Kashi Vishwanath Trust, which is exactly opposite to Gate 4. It is an orange color building. You can get prasads there also. These two are official temple prasads. Please check the prasad thoroughly before buying from the outside vendors, because there can be kids who want to eat it and there can be elders, so it can harm them if it is going bad. So please make sure you're buying it from a good place. So as we booked Sugam Darshan tickets, our darshan was very quick. It happened in like 40-45 minutes. But if you want a normal darshan, it will take around 2 to 3 hours normally, and on Mondays it will take more than 4 to 5 hours. It is always better to book tickets before your darshan, so it is little easy. And in the evening, my husband just went outside and he took many videos. I was tired in that day, so I did not go. He said this is the way how kulfi is eaten in Kashi, and if anyone is going to Kashi, don't forget to try kulfi there. Also, he showed me this video, like when he was sitting at the guards, kids are playing cricket in the guard, like they were going up and down on the steps and playing cricket. This was nice to watch even in the video. And later that night, we went to this arti which happens in Gai Ghat, which is performed by kids here. It is so good. This is also from the temple only, but kids perform the Ganga Arati. And after this, we ended our day with a nice dinner and slept well. If you like the video, please like and subscribe. Bye.